We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more Japanese names, including from anime and manga series as well. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Sasuke. So, some people might think that it's actually pronounced Sasuke with a silent U, but the U is not exactly silent. It's just pronounced in a way that when you speak quickly, it does not really show off or show up that much in the pronunciation. So really in Japanese the pronunciation is as Sasuke, Sasuke, but often they pronounce the U very, very softly as Sasuke, Sasuke is how they pronounce it, Sasuke or Sasuke, Sasuke. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.